So are you continuously practicing with Vedic mathematics tricks and techniques? How many of you are actually doing it? Let's raise your hand. After the class, who all practice Vedic mathematics? Not many. That's bad. See, practice is the key of success, as I always used to tell. Acha, everybody, almost everybody, oh, that sounds amazing. Pretty good. Pretty good. Very good. So I hope you are comfortable with LCM and HCF short trick. Yes or no? Are you comfortable with HCF and LCM short trick?
Yes.
Everybody?
Yes, ma'am.
So always practice that. When you have to add to unlike denominators or unlike fractions, always prefer to take LCM through that technique because that will save a lot of time and will give you a relaxation as well in your calculation part. So today, probably it's going to be the last second day of your summer classes. So today we are going to start with learning with one such operation, or either I should say two such operations, which are going to be always with us, and that is simply addition and subtraction. So in today's lecture, we are going to understand what are the short tricks of addition and subtraction and what can be done to mentally calculate with addition and subtraction. So are you all ready for that? Are you all ready for that?
Yes, ma'am.
Hello, so let's get going. Let's start. Now, before we actually move on to the trick of addition and subtraction, guys, you need to understand one term, and which is complement of a number. I'll start with the concept. I'll not start with the trick. I'll start with the concept, which is referred as, which is termed as complement of a number. Let's start with this. Yes. So I'll just take on with this complement of a number. See, complement is something you have two numbers. Okay. Just a moment. I think somebody is waiting in the waiting room. All right. So let's learn this concept of complement of a number. See, when you add two numbers and their total becomes 10. Okay. Can you just identify two numbers whose total is 10, which add up to 10?
Ma'am,
1,
5
5,
plus 1
and
is 5,
5.
8 and
1,
1,
5
2,
plus
7
5.
and
1
7
two
and
eight,
and 9,
2
6
8,
and 4, 7 plus
6
3.
and 4, 7
9
and
and
3.
1,
Yes, yes, yes.
3 and
So
7.
that, yes, correct,
Ma'am,
correct,
8
correct.
plus
Yes, 8 plus 2, correct. So 8 and 2 are complement of each other because they add up to give 10. Okay? 8 and 2 are complement of each other. So 7 and 3 are also complement of each other. Similarly, 6 and 4, they are also complement of each other. When they are said to be complement, when the addition has to be has to be equal
10.
to 10. So we have to learn two set of complements. One is tens complement and another one is nine complement. Okay? I'll repeat it again. We have to learn two sets of complements, one from 10, another from 9. One from 10, another from 9. So let's start. So what is the complement of 1? T stands for
9.
10. It's 9.
9.
9. So mentally, you have to retain them in your memory. Fine, before proceeding with the operations of subtraction. So what is the complement of 3?
7.
7.
7. What
7.
is the complement of 4?
6.
6.
6.
What is the complement of 6?
4.
4.
4.
Absolutely. What is the complement of
2.
8? 2.
2.
And what is the complement of 9? It's 1.
5.
1.
1. 1. Okay, so these are the complements when we are calculating, we are subtracting them from 10. So these are a set of 10 complements. Okay. Now, just a moment. I'll just want to ask you now if we have to add up two numbers equal to 9. If we have to add up two numbers so that sum becomes 9. So what's the complement of 1? Now
8.
it's different. Correct. It's 8. What's the complement of 3?
6. 6.
Perfect. What's the complement of 4?
5. 5.
5. Everybody for that matter, because this is very important. And you are going to
5.
rejoice this, subtraction technique in the Vedic mathematics. So you please remember this, otherwise you'll not be able to do it. So complement of 4 is 5. Complement of 2,
7.
7. Complement of 8,
1.
1. Perfect. 9 is 0.
0. 1.
So no, not 9, not 1, it's 2. Sorry, it's 0. And a 9 ka complement, when you're counting the sum as 9, it's 0. So remember this, always remember this complement part. You have to be very quick enough. If I say, what is the complement of 1 with respect to 10? It's
9.
9. What's the complement? What's the complement of 7 with respect to 9? 2. 2. That's correct. That is it. So this is one thing you have to remember. Please, I would suggest you to please take a screenshot of this. Everybody take a screenshot of this.
Ma'am, can you please re-explain how to find complement?
Sure. See, there are two series in which you have to identify the complement of a number. One, the sum should be from 10. So we call it as 10 complement. Just a moment. It's hung up. So we call it as 10 complement. ठीक है? Let's say 1 plus 9, they are a pair of complement. क्यों? क्योंकि इनका sum 10 आना चाहिए. ठीक है? 2 and 8, they are complement. 3 and 7, they are also complement set. 4 and 6, they are also complement 6. And 5 and 5, they are complement. Now, what are the different sets of complement for 9? For sum equals to 9. Sum equals to 9 में कौन-कौन से complement बनेंगे? बताइए.
5 and 4, 6 and 3.
1 and 8.
1
4
and
and
8.
5.
2 and 7. 2 and
9 and
7.
0.
3 and
3
6.
and 6. 4 and 5.
Perfect.
9, 0.
Yes. So these are the different complement sets we are talking about. You have to remember whether I'm talking about 10, set of 10 or set of 9. Yes, Mohak?
Ma'am, can you please explain what is complement? I was going to watch too.
Acha, no issues, Mohak. You have to make sure, you have to remember two numbers that add up to give 10. And similarly, you have to add up two single digit numbers that add up to give 9. So when we want the sum to be 10, so 2 and 8 makes complement of each other, because देखो 2 में क्या आप add करेंगे so that the sum becomes 10?
8.
Perfect. So 2 and 8 are complement of each other when the total has to be 10. But similarly, when you want total to be 9 complement, so आप 2 में क्या add करेंगे?
Ma'am,
क्या add
7.
करेगा मोहक? 7. So 2 and 7. 2 and 7 is what?
Complement
Their
of
complement from 9. Now, please take a screenshot so that you can remember these complement sets.
Yes.
Everybody. Done?
Yes, ma'am.
All right. So, let me just stop sharing the screen because we need to switch to the another presentation.
Recording in progress.
All right. So we'll
देखो सबने कैमरा ऑफ करे हुए हैं
All right. So addition and subtraction is what we are going to learn today. So first, kindly turn off your mic, everyone. So first lesson that you have to learn, and then, I mean the first lesson which you have already learned is complement numbers. Now another thing I'll discuss with you is to remember the closeness of a number. The closeness of a number in 10-point circle. What can you see from here? What can you see from here? 9 is close to which base? See, just a moment. Okay. What can you see on this, in this circle? 10 and 20, they are the base. Obviously, they are the base number. This is what we always used to consider. These are the base number. Am I right or wrong? Aren't these the base number 10 and 20? Aren't these the base number 10 and 20? Okay. So just let me know, 9 is close to which base? 10?
Ma'am, 10.
10. 9 is close to 10. Similarly, 2 is also close. 2 is close to 10
Zero.
or 0? 0. 2 is
Zero.
close to 0. 2 is close to 0. I hope you can understand. Now 7 is close to 10. For that matter, you have learned in your junior classes, you have learned the round of to nearest 10 wala system. So if you have 5 or more digit, the close base is 10. Agree or disagree? Agree or disagree? 5 या 5 से ज़्यादा होता है तो आपका close base 10 होता था. Do you remember that? Yes?
Yes, ma'am.
Similarly, 17, 18, 19, they are close to 20. 27, 28, 29, they are close to 30. And similarly, 97, 98, 99, they are close to 100. Agree or disagree?
Ma'am, agree.
Agree. Agree. So just remember this before we proceed to the trick. Now, do you think 49 is close to 50?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Please have a close look at these, statements. 49 is close to 50, and is one short. एक कम है. It's one short than 50. Similarly, 38 is also close to 40, but it's two short. अभी आपको मैंने, if I ask you, if I ask you 49, या छोड़िए कुछ भी दूसरा नंबर ले लेते हैं हम, 59 प्लस 4, जो हमारे यहाँ पर एग्जाम्पल हमने दे रखा है. अगर हम आपको कहते हैं इसको मेंटली करिए, मेंटली, तो थोड़ा स्ट्रेस आता है क्या? हल्का सा स्ट्रेस आता है. अभी आप देख रहे हो नहीं, जब आपके सामने फिगर्स नहीं होती हैं तो लिटिल बिट ऑफ स्ट्रेस अराइज इन योर माइंड कि यार मेरे को, एंड यू सडनली स्टार्ट लुकिंग फॉर अ पेन एंड पेपर अराउंड यू. इजंट इट दैट हैपन? होता है कि नहीं होता है? सच्ची सच्ची ऑनेस्टली बताइए मुझे, है ना? अच्छा, अगर इस तरह का कोई नंबर दे दिया जाए 163 प्लस 17, तो और 17 भी नहीं 18 कर देते हैं, 18, तो आपको थोड़ा सा और मेंटल स्ट्रेस होता है, और मेंटल स्ट्रेस होता है ना? होता है. ऑनेस्टली स्पीकिंग सच में होता है, मुझे भी होता है. सो व्हाट वी कैन डू इज 59 इज क्लोज टू 60. This 59 is close to 60. ठीक है, आप मेंटली ऐसा सोचेंगे, लिखेंगे नहीं, मेंटली ऐसा सोचेंगे. और 59 को 60 बढ़ाने के लिए आपने 1 ऐड कर दिया, तो यहाँ पर आप 3 ऐड कर दें, it's 63. Isn't it this simple? What I'm saying is 38 plus 24 करने की बजाय if I ask you कि आप ऐसा करें 40 plus 22, तो क्या आपके लिए ये मेंटली करना इजी होगा? Will it be easier for you? Compare the two things.
Yes, ma'am.
Compare the two things. बस आपको दिमाग में पहले ये देखना है कौन से which is the nearing base of this number and how much I have to increase. तो आप वो तो nearest base पे चले जाएंगे, ठीक है, और दूसरे नंबर को उतना कम कर देंगे, and then you can simply add it mentally. Write it down, because the moment you start practicing this, you will definitely find it much easier and faster procedures to opt for. Kindly note it down, everyone.
Ma'am, noted.
Yeah, noted? Wonderful. Everybody, put a thumbs up if everybody has noted.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay,
Yes, ma'am.
okay, fair enough. Similarly, now you see, you have to add these four numbers. ठीक है, अभी बहुत दिमाग खराब हो, किसी ने बोला 39 प्लस 8 प्लस 1 प्लस 4 करो, 39 प्लस 8 प्लस 1 प्लस 4 करो, उफ, आप लोग को तो स्ट्रेस हो जाएगा. So what is the right strategy? You just recall 39 plus 1 is 40. 40 plus 8 is 48. 48 plus 2. अब 4 है ना, तो 4 को 2 and 2 में bifurcate कर दे like this. This is, I am right. I have already written it on the presentation so that आपको पता चल सके आपको कि मेरे दिमाग में क्या चल रहा है. So 39 plus 1 40 हो जाता है, 8 plus 2 10 हो जाता है, 40 plus 10 is 50, and then remaining is 2, so you add up 52. Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes or no? Similarly, if somebody has asked you to do it mentally, तो आप क्या करेंगे? 48 plus 32. 48 plus 32 comes out to be 80, and then you are left with 16 and 61. तो 16 and 60 आप कर लो. 16 and 60 आपको mentally करना easy होगा. What is that? 76. 76 plus 1, 77. So 80 plus 77. Now again 80 plus 77 आपके लिए दिक्कत होगी. तो आप क्या करें? 80 plus 80 कर लें. तो वो आप mentally कर सकते हैं 160. Now आपने 80 77 को 80 बनाने के लिए कितना ऐड किया? 3. तो 160 minus 3 is 157. Is this clear? Are you able to pin in what I am asking and what I am asking you to do mentally? Are you able to understand?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Very, very low sound. That means no. That means no. I'll again explain it. I'll again explain it. Because once you're through with this trick, definitely you're going to enjoy doing it. Okay. So basically this is 48. 48 और 32. आपको पता है ना 8 and 2 complement बनाता है 8 and 2. You remember this? 8 and 2 add होता है तो
Yes,
0 आता है. हाँ, yes, ये दिमाग चलता है कि नहीं? 5 and 5 0 बनाता है. और क्या 0 बनाता है? 6 and 4 0 बनाता है. 3 and 7 0 बनाता है. So you look for those numbers जो 0 बनाते हैं. जैसे 48 and 32. 48 and 32 is I've written it wrong. मैंने यहाँ पे गलती कर दी है. या सही है, sorry, 80. 48 and 32 is 80. This is correct. 48 and 32 is 80. Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes or no? Everybody.
Yes, ma'am.
I want to see how Bhargav students used to scream.
Yes, ma'am.
Be louder.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Still
Yes,
not
ma'am.
yet. Or yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Only all the good boys and good girls are going
Yes,
to scream.
ma'am.
Rest will not.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, cool. So, students,
Yes.
48 and 32. 48 and 32, 8 and 2 आपको कॉम्प्लीमेंट दिखा, तो बस ये तो 50 हो जाएगा और ये 3, तो 5 and 3 8 होता है, इट्स बिकम 80. अभी मेरे को 60 प्लस 61 ऐड करना थोड़ा आफत लग रहा था, तो मैंने इसको 60 बना दिया प्लस 1. अभी ये आराम से मैं ऐड कर सकती हूँ
121.
काय का 121. So it's 80 plus 77. अभी ये भी मुझे दिक्कत लग रहा है, तो मैंने इसको 80 plus 80 कर दिया 160, पर मैंने यहाँ पे 3 एक्स्ट्रा बढ़ा दिया, तो मैं आंसर में 3 माइनस कर दूं, तो आंसर इज 157. इसको करिए. Write it down and do it mentally. We'll take up lot many examples. Just pen down it so that you can remember the trick. I'm terribly dried out. How's the weather there? In Mumbai, somebody from Mumbai? Who's from Mumbai?
Ma'am, in
Pune.
Jaipur it's 41 degrees.
Seriously, it's scorching heat. Who's from Mumbai or Pune?
Ma'am, no, from Nagpur.
Acha, none. Anybody? Anybody who's not from Jaipur?
Ma'am, I'm from Delhi.
Yes, Aisha.
From Delhi.
I didn't get it. What's the name?
And she's
Delhi.
in Delhi.
Okay. Okay. All right. So, okay. Now, before we move on to the next trick, let's try out some two more numbers. For example, how much is 77 plus 35? अभी ऐड करना थोड़ा
Ma'am,
दिक्कत है
112.
मेंटली. हाँ जी
112.
112. आपने तो ये डायरेक्टली कर लिया.
Yes, ma'am.
हाँ
Yes.
डायरेक्टली कर लिया. तो देखिए एक चीज और आपको इसमें आप कर सकते हैं. यू कैन 8, 80 एंड 35 अगर किसी को दिक्कत है तो. अगर डायरेक्टली ये तो छोटा सा नंबर है, यू कैन ऑलवेज डू दिस. चलिए ठीक है. अनदर मेथड, लेट्स मूव ऑन टू अनदर मेथड. ठीक है. Yes. Generally what we used to do, we used to add up numbers from the right hand side. Yes or no? Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Yes.
है ना? But Vedic people says that start your calculation from your left hand
Left.
side. ठीक है. 7 and 10 becomes 10 and 7 and 5 becomes 12. Yes. बाद में आपको ऐसे कर देना है. So this is like, और अगर अपन देखते हैं नंबर.
Ma'am, have you removed that 0?
बेटा ये 2 इधर लिखा और ये 1 कैरी इधर हो जाता है ना जनरली. So 10 becomes 11. Yes or no?
Okay.
See, I'll again explain. पहले हम ये वाला एग्जांपल लेते हैं.
1175.
Just
Ma'am, answer is 1175.
अरे 1175 इट्स ओके. बट एक बार अपन ये देखें तो इट्स 10. ठीक है. 11
It's
sorry
11.
it's 11 sorry it's 7 and then it's 5. 1175. ठीक है. Another technique which you can offer multiply, I mean adding these two numbers. इस तरह के 4 digit number आप जब add करते हैं ना तो you know, I mean, it sometimes, it causes stress in mind. So, it is advisable that you split the numbers into some more numbers, like this. Some manageable numbers. अब देखिए 42 and 80 and 39. 42 and 39 को ऐड करना ज़्यादा आसान नहीं लगता है आपको? 42 and 39 को ऐड करना ज़्यादा आसान नहीं लग रहा है आपको? As compared to 36 and 24 को ऐड करना. 36 and 24 को ऐड करना. So simply you can split. एक बीच में आप एक ऐसा split cause कर सकते हैं. But only thing you have to take care is as far as possible avoid split. ऐसा करें so that carryovers should be avoided. Carryovers should be avoided. So 49 plus 39. अब देखिए 49 plus 39. So आप इसको 1 इधर दे दो तो it's become 41 plus 40. So it's become 81. आप mentally कर लेंगे. Then 36 and 24. 36 and 24 अपने आप में ही ये 0 complement बना रहा है. So it's like 0, 60. ठीक है. Let's practice more. Now there are two numbers. 342 and 587. 342 and 587. अभी आप कहेंगे split can be done either you separate out the 100 digit or you separate out the 10th digit. तो अगर हम ये 100 digit का separate out करते हैं तो यहाँ पे हमें कैरी लेना पड़ेगा, isn't it? हमें यहाँ पर कैरी ओवर करना पड़ेगा. सो इट इज एडवाइजेबल कि आप इस तरह से सेपरेट करें कि आपको कुछ भी कैरी ओवर नहीं करना पड़े. इज दिस क्लियर? इज दिस क्लियर? लाइक दिस 34, 58, 2 and 7. तो आपने यहाँ किया, इट्स 9 and 58 plus 34 is how much? 58 plus 2 is 60. 60 plus 32 is 92. अपने आप करेंगे कुछ क्वेश्चंस, आई एम जस्ट गिविंग.
117.
स्प्लिट कहाँ से करेंगे? फ्रॉम वेयर द स्प्लिट इज एडवाइज्ड?
M5494.
आप यहाँ से आप स्प्लिट कर दें, ठीक है. सो इट बिकम्स 80. 80 plus 10 it's 90. 94. yes or no? अच्छा सॉरी, आपको तो ऐड, हाँ जी 94. yes or no? yes or no? ठीक है. and then 42, 52, 52 plus 2 is 52 plus 2 is 60.
54.
52 plus 2 it's 64.
54.
54. ठीक है. Let me take a new screen so that I have the space to write. थोड़े से सम्स करते हैं हम लोग. 7, 4, 3, 2. स्प्लिट करा. So 30 plus 30. अच्छा देखिए, अब इसको ऐसे भी कर सकते हैं. 30 plus 30 is 60. 66. 66. Yes. Then 6. 70 and 70. 70 is 146.
14666.
ठीक है. So this is another way. अगर हम और बात करें तो अगर हम और बात करें तो 5472 and 2346. ओके, तो आपने स्प्लिट किया. आप देखिए 70 plus 40 is how much? 110. 110 plus 8 तो 108. पर हम यहाँ तो 080 लिखेंगे और 1 कैरी करेंगे. yes or no? 111. See, 7 and 4 is how much? 11. Yes. 7 and 4 is कितना होता है? 11 होता है. 11. So 111 plus 8. So it's 118. तो हम 8 लिखेंगे, 18 ही लिखेंगे और 1 कैरी करेंगे. अभी अगेन 50 and 20. कितना बन गया 50 and 20? How much is 50 and 20? 70. ठीक है. और फिर हमारे पास 8 है, तो it's become 78. So answer is 7818. So it is better कि आप स्प्लिटिंग में क्या करें, जैसे आपके पास 78 and 32 आ रहा है. 78 and 32 आ रहा है, तो सिंपली आप क्या कर दें, 7 and 3 यानी 70 and 30 is 100. 70 and 30 is 100 and then again 10. Again 10. Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
ठीक है. तो it's become 11. 110 sorry. 110. 10 and 11. ये वाला जो 10 आया वो आपने फिर ऐड कर दिया. मतलब द आइडिया इज 78 and 32 आप अलग से लिख लें. ठीक है. इसका 10, इसका 10, इसका 10 1 कैरी गया, so it's become 110. 79 plus 37 आप सिंपली अलग से कैलकुलेट कर लें. 10, ठीक है, and 16 ये 1 कैरी गया, so it's 116. 116. Similarly, हम और अगर नंबर करें 346 प्लस 789, अगर हम इसको भी करेंगे ना तो भी आप लोग आराम से इस मेथड से, स्प्लिटिंग मेथड से कर सकते हैं. सो 7 and 3 is 10, 8 and 4 is 12, and 6 and 9 is 15. तो आप 5 लिखेंगे, कैरी करेंगे 1, अगेन 3 लिखेंगे, कैरी करेंगे 1, so it's 1135. It's 1135. ठीक है, तो splitting is all any time a better method when it comes to big calculation. When it comes to big calculation. Is this clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, let's move on to subtraction technique now. Okay. Okay. See, when subtracting a number from the power of 10, at times आपके पास ऐसा आता है कि स्पेशली डिजिटल, आप ये जो डेसिमल सम्स होते हैं, डेसिमल सम्स जो होते हैं, फॉर एग्जांपल 7.3 माइनस 4.777, इस तरह का बहुत जबरदस्त आता है. यस और नो? इस तरह का सम्स आते हैं तो आपको बहुत दिक्कत होता है बिकॉज इट इन्वॉल्व्स लॉट ऑफ कैरी ओवर्स एंड ऑल. सो व्हाट इज द सूत्र? सूत्र इज subtract all digit from 9 and last from 10. I repeat, what is the sutra? Subtract all digit from 9 and last from 10. That means आप complement लीजिए whenever, जब भी आपको, whenever you have to subtract it from the zero, in the topmost row when zero is written, जब भी zero लिखा होता है and you have to subtract the number from them, what you have to do is simply आप last digit को इसका 6 का कॉम्प्लीमेंट निकाल लें 10 से, लास्ट फ्रॉम 10, 6 का कॉम्प्लीमेंट निकालें फ्रॉम 10. सो व्हाट इज द सेट ऑफ कॉम्प्लीमेंट? 6 का कॉम्प्लीमेंट क्या था फ्रॉम 10? 4. एंड रेस्ट डिजिट आपको 9 का कॉम्प्लीमेंट निकालना है. रेस्ट डिजिट आपको 9 का कॉम्प्लीमेंट निकालना है. सो 9 का कॉम्प्लीमेंट 7 से क्या होता है? व्हाट इज द कॉम्प्लीमेंट? 2. Student, can you please explain? I mean, excuse me for a moment. Hello. भाभी मैं आपको करती हूँ, मैं आपको काट रही हूँ, मैं क्लास में हूँ. Alright. So basically क्या होता है कि आप सारे numbers except the last one you have to take complement from 10 and rest number you have to take complement from 9. ठीक है, और ये उसके आगे जो digit होगा वो आपको you have to reduce it by 1. For example, let's take this example, 1000 minus 276. तो 6 का complement from 10 is 6 का complement from 10 is 6 का complement from 10 is 4. 7 का complement from 9 2. And 2 का complement from 9 7. And this rest you have 1 minus 1 is 0. So answer is 722. ठीक है. Similarly, you take on another example. This one 10000 minus 4250. ठीक है. अब 0 तो डेफिनेटली आप 0 ही लिख देंगे. Now last 10 से complement is how much? 5. Rest 9 से complement 7. 9 का 4 से complement 5. This is the answer. 5750. Please take the screenshot. Taken everyone?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now 10,000. Again, same technique you have to apply. Okay, 30 and 425. So last number 5 you will take complement from 10. So it's become 5. 2 का complement कितना होता है? जल्दी.
8.
No. 7. 4 ka complement from 9. It's 5. And again 9 ka complement 9. So answer is 9575. ठीक है 9575. अच्छा another example 4000. अभी तक तो आपने 1 डिजिट से किया था अभी 4000 में जो लास्ट डिजिट होता है यू हैव टू रिड्यूस इट बाय 1 so it's become 3 in final answer. By chance you simply want to subtract these two numbers last from 10 so it's 3 then complement from it's 4 it's 7 and then 4 minus 1 it's 3 so 3743 is the answer. Please note it down. Note it down. Done? Copied, everyone? Okay. Now this
Yes,
has
ma'am,
a
copied.
wide. Okay, this has a wide application when you calculate in terms of money. ठीक है आपको ऐसे आता है ना 10 रुपीज में से 4 रुपीज 25 पैसा आप माइनस कर दें है ना subtract 4 rupees 25 paisa from 10 rupees here I've taken dollar. So how to do it? Similarly the same technique you can apply. Last from 10 rest from 9 ठीक है and point के नीचे ही point आएगा so answer is 5.75. Is this clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So let's skip on this part. Let's do it mentally. फटाफट से. Let's do it mentally.
513.
513. 513. Okay. And how much is this? 5,000 minus 234. As same rule. Last from 10.
4776.
This is
4766.
6 and इसका complement 7 2 का complement from 9 is 7 and last number of
5766.
5766 5766 last from 10 rest from 9 ठीक है बात समझ में आ गई आपको आ गई बात समझ में ओके चलिए
Yes, ma'am.
So just practice it. Tomorrow, probably it's going to be the last day of your Vedic mathematics session. So I'll take on division. First way to divide a number. That's it for the day from my side. Thank you very much.